Let's talk about simulation for a quick second. How many simulation customers out there? A couple? Yeah. Okay, so you guys sometimes know, and some customers shy away from this because they think it's hard. They also know it takes a lot of time, right? You do one iteration, you set up the study, you run it. It could take hours, it could take days to run those studies. And then you make a change, or you make a whole new model that's similar but different, and you got to do that all over again, right? So again, more hours and days limits what you can do with it, or how fast you can iterate. So if we start to leverage the platform for this, and through machine learning and surrogate models, so once we've done one and we can learn from it, then we can break this down or really reduce that down to from hours and days down to seconds or minutes and seconds. Okay? So a couple of quick examples. We'll take a simple tube crush on the top. Right-hand side, we're using our Cydia family platform on one CPU took us 6 minutes. On the left, through machine learning, so it's a similar but different tube, but so machine learning on one GPU up in the platform did it in 3.6 seconds. To take the assembly, that's more impressive, I think, right? Where we're going from almost 3 hours on 16 CPUs, and we are on 6 GPUs up in the platform with machine learning, surrogate modeling, breaking that down to 40 seconds. That's mind-boggling to me. Think about how fast you can iterate now and try different design ideas and get that feedback much, much quicker.